In this tutorial video, I will be showing you how to add buttons to your website. Hover over your store's name in the top left. Then click on Visit Site. Let's say I want to add a counter in this area. Search for counter in the left taskbar. Then drag and drop. You can change the starting number and ending number. Let's say I set the ending number to 1000. Now the counter will end at 1000. You can add a number prefix. This number will appear at the front of the counter. You can also add a number suffix. You can adjust the animation duration. You can choose to add 1000 separator. If you have it on, you can choose how you want to separate the number when it hits 1000. Let's say I select dot. As you see, there is a dot separator when the counter hits 1000. You can choose the space separator if you like. You can change the title of the counter. If you click on Style, you can change the text color of the counter. You can also change the typography. Let's say I want to change the font family. You can adjust the size. You can change the weight of the text. This means adjusting the boldness of the text. You can choose to transform the text. This determines how the text will be displayed. You can choose a style for the text. And you can choose a decoration for the text. You can adjust the line height. And you can adjust the letter spacing. You can do the same for the title text as well. It has the same options. Let me show you an example. Let's say I want to add 4 counters. To do this, search for intersection in the left taskbar. Then drag and drop. Right-click on the empty column and click on Copy. Then right-click and click on Paste. Now I have 4 columns. Search for counter in the left taskbar. Let's say I want this counter to be orders processed. Let's say I change the style of the text and title. If you want to copy this counter, right-click, then click on Copy. Then right-click on the empty column and click on Paste. Let's say I add a new counter. And I want to copy the settings from the previous counter to the new counter. Right-click the counter and click on Copy. Then right-click on the new counter and click on Paste Style. As you see, the style settings has been pasted. Here is an example of using counters. As you see, I have set the first counter to orders processed. The second counter is happy customers. The third counter is products. And the fourth counter is 5-star reviews. This is just an example. You can set these to anything you like. Here is how it would look like when users scroll through your page. That's all you need to know. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video for future tutorial videos.